everybody, and welcome back. As you can see, we have been to Walgreens this week, taking advantage of a few of the great deals that they have happening there. We did take this purchase and split it up into 6 transactions in order to roll our points and register rewards for the least amount out of pocket. If you would like to see how we were able to save 77% today, just stay tuned. In transaction number 1, we did want to take advantage of some of the Kellogg's deals as well as the Nivea for men. The large size 18-ounce boxes of cereal this week at Walgreens are on special, 2 for $5. I did have 2 $1.50 off manufacturer coupons to apply that I earned through kellogg'sfamilyrewards.com. This brought my subtotal down to $2 or $1 a box. The Nivea for men this week is on a special deal. They are priced 2 for $7, and they are also yielding back a $2 register reward when you purchase 2. The $7 was what our subtotal was, and we did have $2 off of 1 manufacturer coupons to apply, bringing our subtotal down to just $3. That did earn us back the $2 register reward, making our net purchase price $1 or 50 cents each. The total purchase price for transaction number 1 after all manufacturer coupons were applied did come out to $5. I did use 3,000 balance reward points towards this purchase, bringing my out-of-pocket down to $2. This did yield me back $2 in register rewards for the Nivea purchase, making the total net purchase price for transaction 1 $0. At Walgreens, if you are wanting to earn multiple register rewards, you do have to split your transactions up. Register rewards are considered manufacturer coupons, and you will only receive 1 register reward per purchase, no matter how many of the items that you buy. So, you need to learn to split your orders to maximize your savings. On transaction number 2, we did pick up 2 more of the Nivea for men. They are priced at 2 for $7. I did have $2 off of 1 manufacturer coupons to apply, bringing our total for transaction number 2 to $3 out of pocket, and this did yield a $2 register reward. This made the net price per product just 50 cents each, and it made the net purchase price of transaction number 2 just $1. Transaction number 3 was a repeat of transaction number 2, making this transaction a net cost of just $1 or 50 cents each. Transaction number 4 was just a little bit different. In this particular case, I only had 1 more of the $2 off of 1 Nivea coupons to apply instead of having 2 of those. This brought my subtotal for transaction number 4 down to $5 instead of the 3. That did yield me back a $2 register reward, making the net purchase price for each of these just $1.50. For transaction number 5, we did want to take advantage of more of the cereal deals and also the deals they are having on their plasticware. The smaller boxes of the Kellogg's cereal this week are on a special of 3 for $6. I did have 3 $1 off of the purchase of 2 manufacturer coupons to apply, bringing our subtotal down to $9 or $1.50 a box. The plasticware this week is on a special of 2 for $3. And when you spend $10, you are getting back 2,000 balance reward points. We did pick up 8 boxes of these, bringing our subtotal to $12. This did yield us back the 2,000 points, making our net purchase price $10 or $1.25 per box. The total purchase price for transaction number 5 after the manufacturer coupons were applied came to $21. I did take my $8 in register rewards that I had been accumulating from the Nivea purchases and applied those towards this purchase, bringing my out-of-pocket expense to $13. That did yield me back the 2,000 points, which is the equivalent of $2, making the net purchase price of transaction number 5 simply $11. For transaction number 6, we did want to take advantage of rolling our 2,000 points from transaction number 5. So we purchased some of the Progresso soup that is on a special this week with an in-ad coupon of 4 for $5. On top of that special savings, I also had 50 cents off of the purchase of 2 manufacturer coupons to apply, bringing the total down to $4. I did apply the 2,000 points from transaction number 5, making my out-of-pocket just $2 or 50 cents a can. The total purchase price for everything that you have seen here today was $120.47. We only paid $28 out of pocket, saving $92.47, or 77%. It was definitely a great day at Walgreens. I would suggest that you run on down this week and take advantage of some of these great deals before it's too late. I want to thank you so much for watching, and until next time, this is the Frugal Rev saying, go get you some savings.